In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change this default Windows 11 drop-down menu to the classic view. So what we have to do first is navigate here to Start and open Command Prompt. Next, we have to use this function here, which I will add to the description of this video. So just copy this function and add it to the command prompt. Hit enter, and now all you have to do is sign out and sign back into your PC, and you should be able to see the changes to the drop-down menu. So after signing out and signing back into my account, now if I right click on the desktop, I can see that the context menu has changed from Windows 11 default to the classic view. And if I ever want to go back to Windows 11 default view again, I just need to open command prompt again, but now use this function, which is going to revert back to the Windows 11 default view. So just copy this function, add it to command prompt, hit enter, and after you sign out and sign back in, you will see Windows 11 default view. And that's it. So hopefully this was useful, guys, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.